So we're going to talk about doing a pressure check with a safety pop-off valve. You may have heard that this is my favorite safety pop-off valve because, or my favorite pop-off valve because no matter whether this wheel is open or closed, if an animal is attached to the anesthesia machine, this is still open unless I'm pressing the button. The difference is that when this is closed and I press this button, I can occlude any pressure on the gauge. And when the pop-off valve is open and I press the button at about 20 centimeters of water, this pressure starts to release. So, as I have always recommended, you should pressure check your machine before each procedure because you are changing your circuits and your bags between animals. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave the wheel open, we're going to occlude the circuit, we're going to press the button. I'm going to fill my bag up above 20, and the pressure is going to drop back down to 20, because as I said, if this is open, it will drop. Now it's holding pressure well. I can open this up and check to make sure my vaporizer is working properly. No leaks, we're good. I can release the pressure, close the vaporizer, and we are ready for our anesthesia. Okay, so we're going to pressure check this machine. As you can see, I dropped it down and I have a leak. So I'm going to turn the flow meter on until that leak stops. So I'm going to turn it up a bit more and then turn it down until I get that leak to stop around 20. So it's up over 2 liters, as you can see. You look for the leak. Again, it can be anywhere any connections are, but in this particular situation, it is in the absorber canister. As I hook it back up, again, I have the safety occlusion, so it's not going to occlude over 20, so I can turn my flow meter off, and the pressure is holding. If I was still running into a problem and I couldn't find the leak, you can switch over to this setup so that you can keep a hand available. Maybe even close this down to do higher pressure. Press the button and go to a higher pressure and look for the leak. Just remember, as soon as I release that, it opens up.